unlocking answers to your most sought-after questions. What's in the Knowledge Vault today?
A constant humming sound in your head may indicate tinnitus, which could result from exposure to loud noises, ear infections, or other medical conditions. It's important to consult a healthcare professional for an accurate diagnosis and appropriate treatment. They may suggest therapies, ear protection strategies, or lifestyle changes to manage the condition effectively.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.